I'm working on the Monster Ram installation, so I want to give you a couple tips about doing this. What I've done here is I removed the old grid heater and plate, and I cleaned up the surface really good, and then I decided that I was going to silicone the new gasket on there, so I know that that will never leak again. It's also going to preserve the block surface in case it rusts again, so prevent that. Now, the reason I bolted on the original intake plenum is because I wanted to silicone the gasket and have it stick real good to the plate and to the head. And if I tried to do that while putting in the fuel rails, the fuel rail and all the injector lines, it just would take too long and the silicone would dry before I got it bolted down. So I decided to just go ahead and do a quick bolt down of all this. Then I'm going to remove this plenum here, or the intake horn, and next I'm going to install a fuel rail and all the injectors, and then the intake horn will go on last.